Good morning, everyone. I'm Candace from Futures Beginners, and today we have the end of November. Look at this. I'm going to take you from zero to hero. Beautiful A trade setting up right here. What is an A trade? Failure of price action at support or resistance in the direction of the trend or the counter trend. Here we have the trend is headed down. We're going to take him down. That's as easy as it gets, guys. We have 2 contracts on him. In order to carry 1 contract on the ES, you need $500 per contract plus a cushion. So let's say that's $1,500. As soon as we have you 15 ticks or $150, that'll be 10% on your trading account. Now these boys, meaning that the E-minis, are all headed back to the previous high of day of where they were yesterday. First stop might be at S2. You could take your profit off then if you want to, but because it's the end of the month, they're rebalancing. They just passed the 200 right here, and he just blew past it, couldn't get north. There were no buyers. We have a red background stripe, meaning that the higher time frame has already rolled over and changed directions to the short
NASDAQ
side.
reversing.
NASDAQ reversing. He's going down also. We're going to ride one horse at a time. Going to bring our protective stop down a little bit closer there. Now we have double MACDs down. That's pretty big, guys. So let's just let him go. You want to take your profit at S2? That would be 16 ticks away. Right here, 13 ticks away. We have our protective stop at 13. That's a 1-to-1. It's hard to make money like that.
Enter ES.
Because you have to pay back commissions. So let's just move our target down here 40 ticks away to the previous high of day. And that's where he's headed. Let's just be patient, trust the system, and then trust yourself. Learn the system first, learn to trust the system, then learn to trust yourself. Let's just let him go. Now, if he backs up on me, meaning that if he comes above this 50, I'm going to add on another 2 contracts because that's how you reduce the risk, increase the size. He's locked in here. He's locked and loaded. This is pretty much a really good-looking A trade. A trade, failure of price action at support or resistance in the direction of the trend or the counter trend. It's a downtrend. Price is headed down. He failed at resistance more than once. He failed at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Striker arrow or Roberto at the dots. Black air all the way down to S2, 13 ticks. But because it's such a beautiful A trade, we're going to hold, not for 13 ticks, but we're going to hold for 35. He's going to try to go up above that 50. I'm going to
NASDAQ reversing.
Add on 2 contracts. There you go. Now, if he keeps going up, I might add on a couple more. Because it's now I've got only need to have a $2,500 account. 4 contracts, $500 each, plus a cushion, $500, $2,500.
ES reversing.
He's fighting here. Tried to go north. I kept my protective stop right here at the 200. He's going to head on down. Now, $2,500 to carry this, to put on this trade. You just made 10%. At 50 ticks, you're going to make 20%, and so on and so forth.
ES
That's
reversing.
how it goes. So now he's coming on down. Because he's been fighting so much, let's just take him right here. Because he's just fighting. It's the end of the month. They're rebalancing their books, and here he comes. I'll get you 60 ticks today.
Enter NASDAQ.
50 to 100 ticks is what I like to get every day for you guys. Now here is the little 2-bar that I like to watch that shows us really what's happening inside of those candles. Here he comes. Open candle means he's empty. No money, honey. 15 minutes says they're going down really nicely. Just trust. There he goes.
NASDAQ reversing.
70 ticks. All right, here he goes, guys. Coming on down. Let's let him hit us, and we'll get you, let's say, I'd say 700 to 800, maybe 9, maybe
NASDAQ
100
reversing.
ticks today, because it's the end of the month and they're rebalancing. Nasty little guys today. Look at him, flopping back and forth. We have little double tweezers here, which I'll teach you guys. I don't want to give that up. They're trying to reverse him. on my 97, my 1597, but look at him on, here you go. You have to trust when the candle is wide open, he's going down. All right, just let him go. He's going to give you 70 ticks. There you go. Whoopee. All right, 85 ticks today. If you want to keep going, keep going. If you want to take your money and call it a day, that's another issue. I'm going to call it a day just because they're really squirrely here, and I got you 85 ticks, and I think that's pretty good for today. I'm Candace signing out for Futures Beginners. Come over here and sign up for this webinar, and we'll teach you how to identify these beautiful A trades. We'll teach you this one thing that is going to change your life, identifying an A trade. I'm Candace signing out, and I'll see you when you get here. Bye for now.